students, in this lesson we will cover implementing factory classes using friendship. So starting with the lesson number 3 of the unit number 8, there is only one slide. As you can see, definition of a friendship relationship between the classes. You can see we have two classes here. The first one class is LCL2 definition and then end class. We have another class LCL1 definition create private. So we have made this class as a private, but simultaneously we are making it as a friend of the LCL2. So you can see these are the private section of this local class 1, but by making this private it is not possible to call or access the attributes as well as the method of this class outside. So you cannot access this private section as well as the method that we have defined in this class in another class or outside the class. But by making friends of this another class, we can access the private section, that means private attributes of this class, as well as we can make the object of this class to the another class. So let us look into this class implementation. As class LCL2 implementation, method is meth, METH, and then we are declaring a reference variable of the class LCL1. So now we are able to create the reference variable of the another class because we have declared it as a friends. So data LO_1 type refer to LCL1. Now we are going to create the object. So create object LO_1, the name of the object and well as the reference variable is the same. Then we are also accessing the A1 attribute, which is a private attribute of this class LCL1. So a class can access the protected and private component of the another class using the friendship concept. Syntactically, a class can become a friend of another class using the keyword friends. And friendship is a one-sided relationship. So in this example, the class LCL2 is able to access the private attribute of the class LCL1 after declaring it as a friend. So this was all about the lesson number 3 of the unit number 8. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you really like my videos, please press the like button.